seo Drúcht na Maidine. Drúcht na Bealtaine. Agus deirtear go bhfuil leis agus cneasú sa Drúcht seo. An lásá go háirithe go bhfuil cneasú ó an gríon san isce. So this is the dew of the May Day morning, and they're said that there's healing in this dew in particular. Agus an nós a bhí ann, the tradition that was there, nach an daig a chumme, nu ní a humach a gleanne stig sa Drúcht seo. So the tradition that was there was to wash your face in the morning dew, and then you'd be beautiful all year round. But to go on to them blian illig and son. Kind gonna broch sin. And I say real. So mulla me. Oh Jesus. Christ almighty, how chicken so I say come morle. Oh my God, she come more the full. Yeah. So mulla me Drúcht na Maidine. Agus oh. Need for the aige shrimú. Shrimíon to the aig sigrian. Cneasú and green sidishke, the healing power of water and sun. Sin an seanna tíama Ceilteach, the Bealtaine. It's an old Celtic theme of Bealtaine.